U.S. Army Rotary Wing, conduct deck landings in Arabian Gulf. The repetitive whoosh of helicopter blades is heard as two AH-64E Apache attack helicopters land on board the deck of the Navy Expeditionary Landing Base ship USS Lewis B Puller, ESB-3. U.S. forces from both the Army and Navy are together for a special mission, combined flight operations at sea. The U.S. Army has various rotary wing aircraft it can use in conjunction with its sister services. "We have Chinooks, Apaches, and Black Hawk helicopters," said Lieutenant Colonel Margaret Stick, the commander of the Multifunctional Aviation Task Force. AUROE is part of the Immediate Response Force, or IRF. We are always at the nation's call. The U.S. Army's aviation assets have been conducting joint interoperability training missions on board Puller throughout March and April. Task Force Sabre is here demonstrating the force projection capability of the United States Army when joined with its sister service, the Navy, said Stick. A Eurothat allows us the opportunity to conduct operations at a greater distance. Combining air power with naval assets is a force multiplier. We are enabling the AH-64Es to be able to operate from a maritime base, extending their reach, said Captain Scott Hadaway, the commanding officer of Puller. A Euroid brings their expertise to the water. The expertise that is brought to the water by the Army is mainly in part to the Army Rotary Wing pilots. "I've been flying for 15 years now," said Chief Warrant Officer 4, Jim Morrison, a test pilot instructor with Task Force Sabre. "A Euroethis was not my first time landing on a ship, it was easy, and the guys on the deck were very professional." Sailors from the U.S. Navy operate the deck of the ship where aircraft land. "There are 100 naval personnel that run the tactical side of things," said Hadaway. "The Navy counterparts on the deck I have nothing but praise for," added Morrison. "A Euroothi are absolutely professional and good at what they do. Puller sailors are responsible for all operations on the deck." "My job here is to launch and recover all aircraft leaving the ship," said ABH-21 Kilkosel, a U.S. Navy aviation bosun's mate handler on Puller. ARO use hand signals to communicate with the pilots to lift them up and off the ship to do whatever they have to do.